How to add signature in Gmail. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So I'm over here in a Gmail account. What you basically want to do is click on the settings icon here in the top right corner. And then over here, you can see all settings. You want to click on there and you want to make sure that you are in the general settings right over there. Scroll a bit down until you see signature over here. This is where you want to click on. So you can click on create new. Now it says name new signature. So this isn't yet your actual signature. This is just where you want to use it for, because you can actually add multiple different signatures. So you can, for example, have a personal signature, one for work, one for school, one for this or that. So you can do whatever you would like to. So I'm just going to call this one personal. Then click on create. And we now have personal over here, and we can type in whatever we would like to. So you can type in, for example, your full name. For example, do something like this. So my YouTube channel name and then the name. And then you can save this, for example, as your personal signature. And every single time when you send a new email, this will be your signature. But you can actually also insert an image over here, which is quite nice. So let's say you, for example, want like a real signature, like a real one. You can actually go to signature and then to free online signature. And here you can, for example, draw your signature. So you can, for example, draw something like this. And then you can, for example, click on download e-signature. And then download signature, just like that. And then we can go back over here, insert an image. Then go to upload, and here select file from your device. I'll just select the signature right here. And wait for this to load. And for now, it's very large, as you can see. You can actually select the image and then change, for example, to small. This might be a little bit too small, so we can change this to like that, and then put it below, like something like this. And then we can save our signature. Now here you actually have the signature default. So for new emails, use, then personal signature. On reply / forward, use no signature or personal signature. You can choose whatever you would like to. So now you can actually click on create new and then do, for example, work. And then create a custom one, and then also like school, and create a custom one. And then here you have now multiple options. So you can choose whatever you would like to. So if you don't like to put this as default because you have, for example, multiple, then you can click on no signature. Now when you compose an email, over here, there is this like pen icon, insert signature. And then here you can choose which signature you would like to. Now I have yet to actually save this because I have to click on save change over here. That's why it didn't show up. But now when I do that, they should be right here. So personal, and it will immediately insert this. So that is exactly what you want. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.